The sun hasn't fully come up yet, and the house is quiet in that soft, early morning way where everything feels still, like the world hasn't fully started yet. Leslie is still in bed, half asleep, barely moving, when a quiet system hum comes to life in the corner of the room. It's Tesla Optimus Gen 3, already awake and aware, not in a sudden or mechanical way, but in a smooth, almost natural transition from standby to activity, using its advanced vision system and environmental awareness sensors. It scans the room with careful precision, picking up on small details like how much light is coming through the window, the exact temperature across different parts of the room, and even subtle movements like Leslie shifting under the blanket or slightly reaching with her hand in her sleep. Instead of flooding the room with brightness all at once, it slowly adjusts the blinds in small, controlled increments, letting in a soft, warm glow that gradually fills the space without disturbing her too quickly. At the same time, it walks across the room with steady, balanced steps, placing a glass of water on the nightstand exactly where her hand usually reaches, guided by its real-time learning system and predictive intelligence built from observing her routine over time. It even makes a small adjustment to the glass position based on how she slept that night, making sure it feels natural when she reaches for it. Nothing feels rushed or forced. Every movement is timed, measured, and intentional. It doesn't wait to be told what to do. It understands what usually comes next and prepares for it ahead of time. So when Leslie slowly opens her eyes, there's no sudden noise, no harsh light, no feeling of being pulled out of sleep, just a calm, steady start to her morning where everything already feels taken care of. As that calm start settles in, the morning naturally begins to pick up, and Optimus smoothly shifts into the next part of Leslie's routine without breaking that peaceful flow or changing the mood of the space. As Leslie gets out of bed, Optimus is already moving toward the kitchen with steady, controlled steps that feel surprisingly human, made possible by its upgraded joint control system and dynamic balance system that constantly adjusts posture in real time, so each step feels smooth instead of stiff. While walking, its advanced vision system is actively scanning the kitchen, recognizing objects, noticing what was used the night before, and understanding what needs to be done next. The moment it reaches the counter, it doesn't pause or hesitate. It flows directly into action. Using its dexterous hands and fine motor control, it carefully picks up each item, adjusting grip strength instantly depending on whether it's holding something fragile like an egg or something heavier like a pan. When it cracks the eggs, the motion is precise and controlled, applying just the right amount of pressure at the perfect angle to avoid shell fragments while keeping the yolk intact. At the same time, its heat sensors and real-time temperature monitoring track the stove, making tiny adjustments to the flame that are almost impossible to notice, preventing overcooking before it ever becomes an issue. In the background, it's also managing timing, coordinating multiple steps at once so nothing finishes too early or too late. Even the smallest details, like placing utensils exactly where Leslie naturally reaches or pouring her drink to the exact level she prefers, are handled through its object recognition system and routine learning. By the time Leslie walks into the kitchen, everything doesn't just look ready. It feels like it was made specifically for her, down to the smallest detail. That same sense of ease carries forward as Leslie moves on with her morning, and without needing to think about it, everything continues to fall into place in a natural and steady rhythm. After breakfast, Leslie heads to her room to get ready for work, and once again Optimus is already a step ahead. It has already checked the morning weather, gone through her calendar in detail, even understanding the type of meetings she has, and looked at live traffic conditions through its real-time data integration, then quietly puts together an outfit that fits her entire day. The clothes are laid out neatly, sleeves straight, shoes aligned, and even small details like matching accessories placed beside them in a way that feels natural. While Leslie gets dressed, Optimus moves through the house in the background, not rushing, just steady and precise. It picks up items left out earlier, folds laundry with smooth, consistent motions, pressing out wrinkles and stacking clothes the way Leslie prefers, guided by its adaptive AI learning system. When it organizes a space, it doesn't just tidy randomly. It remembers where things usually go, adjusting based on past corrections so everything feels right when Leslie sees it. Its object recognition system helps it understand not just what something is, but how it's used and where it belongs. Even small adjustments, like placing her keys closer to the door or aligning items on a table, are done with intention. It doesn't wait for instructions. It fills in the gaps on its own, learning and improving every single day. As Leslie finishes finishes getting ready and grabs her bag, the transition from inside the house to stepping out into the world feels seamless, like everything is already working together around her without her needing to think about it. Right on cue, Optimus shifts into its Tesla ecosystem integration. Without Leslie saying anything, it recognizes her timing and remotely starts her car. Outside, the Tesla wakes up instantly, the cabin temperature adjusting to exactly how she likes it, the seat sliding into position, mirrors aligning perfectly, and even the steering wheel settling just right, all handled through its smart vehicle synchronization system. Her usual morning playlist begins softly in the background before she even reaches the car. Back inside, Optimus notices something slightly off. Her bag feels lighter than usual. Using predictive intelligence and its routine memory system, it identifies the missing document. Its advanced vision system locks onto the exact paper among other items, turns and walks directly to where it was left the night before, picking it up with precise motor control before bringing it straight to her. Leslie pauses for a second, a little surprised, then smiles as she takes it, realizing how much stress that small moment just saved. Everything feels smooth, connected, and effortless as she steps outside, where her car is already waiting, fully ready for the day. As the door closes behind her, the focus shifts, and the house quietly transitions into a different kind of activity, with Optimus continuing its work in the background without missing a step. With the house now empty, Optimus moves into a deeper level of productivity. Using its spatial mapping system, it builds a live map of the entire home, updating it in real time as it moves from room to room. Its advanced vision system picks up on small details like footprints near the door, crumbs left on the counter, or dust buildup in areas most people wouldn't notice. It adjusts how it cleans, depending on the surface, using gentle, controlled movements on delicate areas like glass tables, while applying more focus and pressure in high traffic areas. As it moves, it picks up objects, identifies them through its object classification system, and places them exactly where Leslie would expect to find them, not just where they fit. Nothing feels out of place when it's done. Later, when a package arrives, it pauses, scans the label using visual recognition, confirms it belongs to Leslie, and recalls where similar items were placed before. It carries the package inside with steady balance, avoiding obstacles naturally, and places it in the exact spot she would normally check first. Every action feels intentional, smooth, and quietly intelligent rather than mechanical. As the day moves forward, the energy in the house begins to shift again, preparing for Leslie's return in a way that feels just as thoughtful and detailed as the rest of the day. By late afternoon, everything feels calm and perfectly in order. Optimus dims the lights, gradually using its environmental control system, creating a soft and natural transition into the evening, while adjusting the temperature room by room so every space feels just right. In the kitchen, it begins preparing dinner, scanning the fridge and pantry to see what ingredients are available, then building a meal around Leslie's preferences using its adaptive decision-making system and preference learning. It moves with steady precision, chopping evenly, monitoring heat levels in real time, and adjusting cooking times so nothing is overcooked or underdone. It even cleans as it goes, keeping the space organized while the meal comes together. As everything nears completion, it times the final steps perfectly, plating the food so it stays warm without losing quality. So when Leslie walks in, tired from the day, she's not stepping into a house that needs work. She's stepping into a space that already feels calm, balanced, and ready for her to relax. That feeling carries into the evening as Optimus shifts from productivity to comfort, shaping the environment around Leslie in a way that feels natural and effortless. After dinner, Leslie moves to the living room, and Optimus adjusts the space to match the moment. The lights soften into a warm glow. The temperature becomes just right, all handled through its environmental control system. It connects to her entertainment setup and suggests something she'd enjoy using its preference learning system, whether it's something familiar or something new. It also handles small details like closing blinds, reducing outside noise, and adjusting sound levels so everything feels balanced. The room feels calm, comfortable, and perfectly tuned to help her unwind after a long day. As the night slows down, everything gently transitions into the final part of the day, where the smallest details begin to matter the most. Before bed, Leslie notices something small but meaningful. Her bag is already packed with everything she'll need: laptop, keys, wallet, even her favorite snack. And each item is placed exactly where she'll reach for it, guided by its routine planning system. The coffee machine is prepped and ready, the thermostat is set to gently wake her in the morning, and her playlist is already queued in the car. Optimus Optimus moves quietly in the background, making small adjustments like straightening cushions, checking locks, and scanning for anything out of place, all while running on its energy-efficient system so it can keep working through the night without disruption. Leslie turns off the lights and slips into bed knowing everything is ready for tomorrow. The house feels calm, organized, and completely under control. And for the first time in a long while, she can just breathe without worrying about what comes next. And as the room fades into darkness, Optimus shifts back into its low-power monitoring state, powered by its autonomous standby system, quietly watching, learning, and preparing to do it all again, not as something that replaces life, but as something that supports it, simplifies it, and quietly makes every single day feel easier to live.